Hi everyone, I'm Edwin from Wallmek.
And I'm Andreas. We bring you our brand new tool for removing bolted steering knuckle ball joints on the Ford Transit 2014 and newer.
Earlier Transit models up to 2014 used a pressed-in ball joint that could easily be removed using our 0209 toolkits.
Both systems work seamlessly with our 1090-55C press clamp. That means easy access directly on the vehicle, without wasting time removing the steering knuckle or relying on a workshop press. With this system, you completely avoid pulling on the threads. That means no tearing, no damage, and no surprises during removal. Common tools on the market: pulls on the ball joint threads. The ball joint is not designed to take pulling force. Instead, the ball joint pops out of the housing, like in this case.
When you use one of Wallmek's hydraulic cylinders, you can either choose from our 14, the 18 or the 22 tons. You can press directly on the ball joint housing. It's an efficient and controlled way to free the joint from the knuckle. Here's the smart bit. The kit includes a hole saw cutter that removes the bolt ears first. Simply bolt the guide socket to the knuckle and drill the bolt ears off. The guide socket ensures perfect depth every single time. That gives clean access to the press fixture, letting the hydraulic force do the job, without any risk of breaking the joint. Now mount the press frame together with a hydraulic cylinder. Apply pressure and the ball joint pops loose, smoothly and safely. Even the most heavily rusted ones don't stand a chance. You could almost say it's rust belt proof. Exactly. To install the new ball joints, simply use the included press sockets and guide bolts. The bolt guides the ball joint in place with precision. Quick, accurate and consistent results every time. No more heat, hammering or frustration. Just safe, fast and professional service every single time. As always, invest in time. See you in the next one.